got married in Mexico.
Really uncomfortable.
Our first trip as a couple was Cabo San Lucas, and we've been coming at least once a year since then. How do you fit in that O?
I don't know. It was really tight.
We'd have had a dream of moving abroad for years. So we were trying to create a 5-year plan of him getting a job that he could work remotely, and ideally me getting a job that I could work remotely. So he did that 2 years ago, and my company just got on board to allow me to work remotely. It's a big step to leave to a new country, so Mexico just made the most sense. It's just so quick and easy for us to get down here. Less than 2-hour flight from San Diego.
Cabo is a special, special place. It's always welcoming. Before you know it, you're having a carne asada in someone's backyard, and you just went downtown to have a margarita.
I'm looking for, size-wise, 3-bed, 3-bath. We both work remotely.
Okay.
So having, separate spaces for us both to work, and then we plan on having a lot of guests come down.
With my family 3,000 miles away, I want them to be able to come and be comfortable.
I would love to see a pool, and I would really like an open floor plan, kitchen, flow out to the living room, and then a view from the main living space. Beautiful ocean views.
I would like something downtown, walking distance to restaurants, bars. I'm definitely a people person. I like to go out. I like to be able to walk everywhere.
I wouldn't mind being a little outside of Cabo.
Okay.
I kind of like the peace and quiet and serenity that you might get a little outside of town.
Definitely not moving to Cabo to stay home. I'm not a homebody, but Chrissy tries to make me one.
Location is everything. This place is right in the middle of all the action.
Ooh, I love the tunnel. It's like walking out of Foxborough Stadium in New England. This is great.
It's a 27-unit luxury condo development.
The pool seems a little small.
The pool is actually twice this size.
Okay.
With the jacuzzi in the middle. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath penthouse.
Penthouse downtown. How much is this one?
We're gonna pay for it at $499,000.
Ooh.
Kind of
Okay.
little cramp coming in.
It's a little small. That's my first thought, too. But the kitchen's huge. The island is humongous. I don't love the furniture. And it's also just laid out kind of awkwardly for me. I don't know what this is. Dave and I can't sit on that couch together. Okay.
It's a little small. I think it's pretty good for working, but my brother's 6'5", and I'm kind of the medium-sized person in the family, so it's gonna be tough squeezing my family in here. Is the other bedroom about the same size?
It's a similar size. Come on, guys, let's take a look at the main bedroom. It's right through here.
Ooh, nice light in here. It feels a little small.
It's gonna be hard for us to get ready. You're gonna have to go in there, or I'm gonna have to go in the living room to get ready. There's just not a lot of room here.
The living spaces are all just a little bit cramped. Dave's family is, they're all tall people, so I just don't think it's really gonna work for them. The bathroom's huge, actually.
It's almost as big as the bedroom.
I guess this is downtown living.
This is great. And I can see all the, the restaurants and bars are all right here.
I can't help but see this dirt lot a little bit.
The view's not spectacular. I didn't think I was gonna have to sacrifice my awesome Cabo view just for living downtown.
It just feels tight for a 3-bedroom.
But, compared to the place we lived at in San Diego, this place is a palace.
So this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and it's listed at $465,000.
Still a little over, but we get the 3 bedrooms, and it's really quiet and serene out here. I love that.
It's a little far from downtown for me, but the amenities sound kind of cool. I guess I'll take a look.
I know he wants to walk downtown. That's what we've been doing. That's what he's always done.
Okay.
Right.
Opens up into,
It's a little dark coming in,
Wow.
but wow.
Oh my, and the room is huge.
it's a nice open concept, Christy. That's what you were really looking for.
That's an incredible view of the Sea Cortez up here. That's awesome.
And we don't get those views from downtown.
That's
By the
true.
way.
That's true. Looks like a nice kitchen over here. It's a little tight, but it's very modern.
I do all the cooking. She's a pretty good sous chef.
5-burner gas stove. I could do a lot of nice cooking here, and it looks out to the Sea Cortez. What I don't see, though, babe, is downtown Cabo.
I think with the resort right down the street, there's still stuff for us to walk to and go do. Wow.
Is this couch big enough for you, Dave?
This'll work.
Oh, yeah. This is a very big living room, and that's a big wall over there. You definitely need a bigger TV.
I'll buy you a big TV. Oh, wow. It's nice.
It's a good-sized guest room.
Yeah.
I think our friends and family would be very comfortable in here.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like good space. I can get a desk in here and a chair and have a little office set up. That'd be great.
This is the main bedroom.
Oh, wow, it's huge.
Oh, my gosh.
Check that out.
This is nice.
There's already a desk in here, so even have you work in here or move this into one of the other bedrooms and, create a little office.
Wow, look at the rain showers. I can actually get my head under. This is nice.
Shower for two.
Yeah, this is nice. Maybe 4 or 5. This bathroom's awesome.
And we got the double vanities.
Always wanted my own sink.
I love this place so much.
This is nice.
And
wow.
views on both sides, no matter where we look.
Look at that beautiful pool.
It's a good size.
What's that building down there?
That's actually Grand Velas.
I would sign right now if Dave was on board. I told Ava that $450,000 was my max, but considering what I get with the place, I think it's worth it.
So this is a 2,100 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I know, Christy, you really wanted a 3-bedroom. But I thought maybe somebody could work out here. It's nice and peaceful and quiet.
It does have a private hot tub.
The asking price is $475,000.
2-bed for $475,000?
It's close to downtown with these beautiful features. You're not gonna find something like this anywhere else.
I could always just work in the hot tub.
Yeah.
We could definitely make $475,000 work if the location's right and the view's right.
Look at the views. This kitchen is humongous. It's like the size of our old apartment. This is incredible. I love how it opens up into like the dining room and the living room, and this full wall of windows is incredible.
There really isn't anything else at $475,000 that's really $1 million view. Yeah, have a seat, see what you think. Maybe
Oh,
Dave
yeah.
wants to watch his favorite sports team on this gigantic TV.
Look at that TV. That's amazing.
Back here is Dave's workspace, possibly.
Okay. Oh, it's big. Oh, and a desk here. This would work great for you, babe. Nice big bed for our guests, too.
So this is one of the bathrooms. What do you think?
It's clean. It's modern. What like you like?
Check out the main bedroom.
Oh, wow.
This is beautiful.
Look at this huge king bed. Look, when we lay on the bed, we can get a view of the Sea
yeah.
of Cortez.
I think this is my side.
No, this is my side.
This is amazing.
Oh, wow.
This is
True indoor
exactly
outdoor.
what I wanted.
Look at that. I love how you can see the city and the ocean views. It's so different. I love this.
You can see almost to the golden zone of the Sea of Cortez.
With a downtown action place, we can walk to all the restaurants and bars.
I just feel like we'll be tempted to go out way too much, but the living space is cramped.
I am worried about that for my friends and family.
And the price was the highest one of all 3 that we saw.
I love the location, but I really wanted that awesome Sea of Cortez view.
Yeah, okay, so that one's off the list.
Okay.
My favorite is the relaxing retreat house. It had everything that I was looking for, and those views were just to die for.
The views are also stunning, though, at the Hot Tub Hideaway. Up on the mountain there, I know it was only a 2-bedroom. That hot tub grotto is almost like a 3rd room. We could definitely spend a lot of time there, relaxing, maybe having a glass of wine. I think we could easily make that work. It'd just make it so much easier of a transition. Everything's right there, but it's still quiet and peaceful with a beautiful view and all the amenities that you want.
Okay, but babe, we've been spending the past 10 years right in the middle of downtown San Diego. Maybe at this point in our lives, we can move on to something more tranquil and serene. And the resort is like 10 minutes away. It's sort of the best of both worlds.
But it just is so far out of town.
15 minutes is not that far. It kind of gives you a little bit of what you're looking for and what I'm looking for. For the lowest price place and the best amenities, I mean, I think it's the one to go with.
It's hard to argue with that.
so beautiful here.
You know, having the Grand Velas right there, we can just walk right down the hill and we're in paradise.
Both working at home together has been totally fine. With so much space here, it's really easy to spread out.
I think it's a blessing that we chose the location we did because it definitely keeps us focused during the weekday and then we go have our fun on the weekend.